Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today I have a very exciting package to show you guys. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. For those of you who are familiar with it, hold on. There we go. Okay, for those of you that are familiar with it, about a year ago, I did an unboxing for the Throne of Glass editions from Acrylipics, and they were beautiful. It's one of my most popular videos on my channel, doing the unboxing, looking at the books. I'm obsessed with them. They're currently up on my shelves right up there. I love them. So I thought and was perusing their shelves the other day of their store and found editions of their book covers for ACOTAR. And guys, they are stunning. So what I was trying to justify essentially was getting the covers, the printed covers, not the beautiful painted sprayed edged editions, but rather just the actual book covers themselves. So I figured we could open them up and look at them together and then put them on my new or my old, replace the old covers with these ones, which I think are so gorgeous. So let's, you guys look first. Open it up together. Look how stunning. So these are for the US hardcover editions, and essentially, yes, like I said, these are all from Acrylipics. It's for all of the currently printed books of ACOTAR right now. So of course we have a court of thorns and roses with this beautiful like wolf's eyes on the back. And you guys, when you see the covers all put together, this is why I bought these editions. So we have the first one, A Court of Thorns and Roses. Then we have, what is this one? Look at that cover, A Court of Mist and Fury. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. I can already tell. Then we have, upside down, A Court of Wings and Ruin. Beautiful. What does it say on the back of this? Leave this world a better place than you found it. With the flowers. I'm obsessed. Okay, and then you guys, look at the spines. Again, this is why I was obsessed with this edition of these, like, covers. Then we have, oh, upside down again, A Court of, oh my gosh, I love this one, A Court of Frost and Starlight. Look at the skinny little title, or the cover spine. There we go, that's what I'm looking for. What does this one say? Property of the Night Court. Obsessed. So cute. And of course, the last one, we have A Court of Silver Flames. Look at her. That's amazing. This says, I am the rock against which the surf crashes. Nothing can break me. You guys, I know it's kind of hard to see with the glare, but I'm so excited for these. So, okay, without further ado, we all know and love the classic ACOTAR covers. Let's revisit these for a minute. Oh my gosh. So, of course, we know the gray US with the colorful spines. We know them, we are familiar with them. Let me go ahead and replace them and we'll look at what they look like on the actual books and then we'll put them on my shelves. I'm so excited. Are you ready to see it? Oh gosh. Let's not drop all of the new. Let's not drop them all. Look at it. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with it. Okay, I do have a couple things for feedback. I actually think I'm going to be reaching out to the Acrylipics team because I do need a new cover for A Court of Wings and Ruin. So if you guys can kind of tell, again, I know the glare kind of sucks. Let's see if I can pull it back. Nope, that makes it worse. Okay. Basically the way they printed this, it looks like it doesn't extend quite far enough. So there's overlap of this back panel where even if I were to shift the book cover over, it's still not thick enough to cover the full width. Like the blue doesn't print far enough to cover the width of the whole book, if you guys can kind of see where that kind of cutoff is. So that's a little disappointing because this is like the center of the stack. It's like the peak of the mountain and it's a little Yeah, I think it just got misprinted a little bit, because if you guys can see the way that it printed here on the back, the seam, it's like a little short on this side. So I think this one was unfortunately a misprint. I am going to reach out to them and like send them actually this specific video clip showing them like so backing up a step. What's really nice with these is all of the pages are perforated. So where you fold it for the seam, like if you guys can see that line right here, all of them come with it. So all of them really fit quite nicely. The back part of this unfortunately just looks like it got printed a little wrong. So I am going to reach out and see if they'll send me a new version. We'll see, fingers crossed. But other than that, like I said, this is of course A Court of Wings and Ruin. This is the center part of the spine, which is my favorite part of these. I think it's stunning. A picture of the night court with the mountain. I'm obsessed. So kind of going through, I might reach out and see if I can get another one of this. This one just feels a little big. I don't know if I'm gonna ask for both. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. This is of course though A Court of Thorns and Roses. Stunning. And then of course the back is the quote from Tamron. I think this is him. Yeah. There are those who seek me a lifetime, but never we meet, and those I kiss, but who trample me beneath ungrateful feet. At times I seem to favor the clever and the fair, but I bless all those who are brave enough to dare. By large my ministrations are soft-handed and sweet, but scorned I become a difficult beast to defeat. For though each of my strikes land a powerful blow, when I kill, I do it slow. I don't remember, I'll be honest, I don't remember this in the book, but if you guys do, let me know where and when it is in the book. I'm obsessed. It looks amazing. I'm so happy. All right. So beyond that, again, we'll go through this, which is of course A Court of Mist and Fury. The spine, stunning. And then of course this is like really the full printed of like what it's gonna look like when all the spines are perfectly aligned. Stunning. A Court of Frost and Starlight, the little baby. Beautiful. Obsessed. And last but not least, A Court of Silver Flame. Stunning. So yeah, so you see how you guys see how the blue meets the edges of the book itself and it doesn't kind of have the overlap? That's all I'm looking for. That's all I'm asking for. Stunning. Obsessed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm so excited to put these on my shelves. I'm a little sad, of course, about the one that had the misprint, but I think overall these are beautiful editions. Again, I think for me, if you're looking for beautiful editions that are online, but you can't afford the full printed set with the sprayed edges, I think having the book covers for stuff like this is such a great option. So I'll leave their options to order the book covers down in the caption below if you guys are interested to check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my brand new ACOTAR covers, and I'm so excited to find some fun new additions in the future. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!